Hello family, this is Beverly Black and welcome back to our channel. I am so glad you're here today. Can you feel the hug? Well, I just sent you one. Okay, today we're going to be making boiled corn. This is fresh corn on the cob with jalapenos and honey. This is a good recipe to try. And so we're going to get into it. Let's get the housekeeping out of place. For those who are here for the first time, welcome to the channel. And I appreciate you coming by today. And I would ask that you will watch some more videos and give a thumb up and leave a comment. And please hit that red subscribe button and subscribe to the channel so you will know when I upload new videos. Okay, we're going to get into making this boiled corn with the jalapenos and honey. And what you're going to need is 6 to 8 ears of corn. I got fresh corn. It's the peaches and cream. You will need 1 cup of half and half or milk. You will need 2 fresh jalapenos with the seed, and we're going to cut it up. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, and 1 stick of butter. And what we will do first, we're going to bring this water to a boil, and we're going to add, I got 6 ears of corn. So we're going to go ahead and put the corn into the water. And here is the corn. This is peaches and cream. There's a silk in it. We're going to find more silks, but that's all right. So I'm going to put all 6 ears of corn into the water and bring it to a boil. I'm getting off more silks. Okay. So you bring that to a boil, and while it's coming to a boil, our 2 jalapenos, I'm going to slice them up. You slice them with the seed in them. You leave the seed there. Just slice it up. This and the honey mixed together is a awesome flavor. And this is something quick as a side to go with your main dish. We're having sirloin steak and baked potatoes and the corn for dinner today. Mr. Jimmy has already seasoned the steaks and have them in the refrigerator and getting them ready to cook. He's going to grill them on the grill. He's an awesome cook. I don't know if I told you all or not, but we had a restaurant for a couple of years. It's been closed for probably about 7 or 8 years now. It was named JB Ribs and More. So we're going to bring this corn to a boil so we can go to the next process. We're going to go ahead and put the half and half, and you need a cup of half and half or regular milk. You can use regular milk. So we're going to put this in here. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons in. Woo, that went over. But that's all right. Okay. Put 1 more. Put it down in so we can get all of that out. Pour a little bit more. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And you bring it to a boil. We're going to bring this to a boil. And once it comes to a boil on high, I need to add my jalapenos. Beverly. Yep, got them sitting right over here. Here are the jalapenos. We're going to add them in. Forgive me for using my fingers, but no one's eating this but my family, so it's all right. Let me get a spoon, or somebody be putting in the comments, you touch that with your fingers. But this food is just for my family and nobody else. If I was fixing it for somebody else, I have gloves on, but it's for my family. So we're going to bring this to a boil. It's called a milk bath. You bring that to a boil and we'll let it, after it comes to a complete boil, we will let it simmer 8 to 10 minutes. And after it simmers for 8 to 10 minutes, then we'll put the stick of butter in. Okay, it has been simmering for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to turn it off and put a stick of butter in. And we are going to let it steep for 15 minutes with the lid on it. You put the lid on it and let it steep for 15 minutes. And then I'll be back and show you a piece out of the pot. The jalapeno corn and honey is out of the pot. And here is the results. This will make a great side dish, or you can just eat it as you want. Thank you everybody for coming today. And remember that I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are His masterpiece. Be blessed.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing